I've got a feeling I'm the one that's going to get wet on this.
If I get wet today, there's going to be so much trouble, and I'm not going like that ramp.
What ramp?
I don't want to look at it. Okay, do you?
Of course I care. Hold this. Yeah, I have to hold this show.
So twisted.
Smile for the camera. This is the first one of these I've done. I think you're supposed to keep your hands inside, that's it. Smile!
Shit.
No swearing, you're on camera. I thought you weren't supposed to get wet on this. Oh! I'm soaked.
I've got bloody wet arse again. Sorry, I'm not supposed to swear.
What you got?
A wet bum.
So have I. Smile for the camera. Oh, raging, raging rapids. Did you enjoy that, Shag? So what do you think of the water ride? Oh shit!